Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Greetings to all of us. All praise be to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given me the opportunity to be able to present my thesis proposal. The Honorable Mr. Roni Faslah SPDMM, as the coordinator of the Office Administration Education Study Program and as my first supervisor. I respect Ma'am Nadia Fadilah SPDMM as the supervisor lecture second. Today, I'm Vanessa Cindy Kelana, a student of Office Administration Education Study Program 2019. I will present my thesis proposal entitled Development of Web-Based Learning Media in the Basic Subject of Management Class 10, Office Management at SMKN 9 Jakarta. On the research background, it is known that information technology is developing rapidly along with the times, enabling one to export data and information easily. Based on data published by the Association of Indonesian Internet Service Provider, in the period 2021 to 2022, the number of Indonesians connected to the internet will reach 210 million people, out of a total population of 275 million. Based on data above, internet users who use the internet the most are aged 13 to 18 years, with a percentage of 99.16%. From this data, it can be seen the adolescents have a high level of internet access, making it possible to do electronic learning. After conducting interview with teachers of basic management subject and several students, the problems found in the implementation of learning include the basic management subject is a productive and compulsory subject. The media and learning methods are less innovative, have internet access but have not been utilized. To overcome this, the innovation that teacher can do is to make learning media application. Next is research question. Based on the research background above, the authors draw conclusion to serve as the main problem, namely how the process of developing web-based learning media and how the feasibility of this learning media. Research objective. Based on the research question, the objective of the student are develop products and obtain information about the feasibility of web-based learning media products. Research benefit. A. Theoretical benefit. 1. This research and development is an effort to find out the benefits of web-based learning media. 2. As a reference and secondary source of information data for similar development research. B. Practical benefit. 1. For school. This research is expected to provide a reference for school to create learning website. 2. For teacher. As an alternative choice of learning research for basic management subject for teacher. 3. For student. This research is expected to provide a new learning research. Next is supporting theory. A. Learning. In essence, learning is closely related to how to build good interaction between the two components, namely teacher and student. B. Learning media. Learning media is a component that has an important role in teaching and learning activity. C. E-learning. E-learning itself is an innovation that can be utilized in learning activity. D. Website. The web is a collection of several pages that have related content. E. LMS. Learning management system is software that is used to create learning material. F. Basic management. Basic management is a new subject in the independent curriculum. Relevant research. 1. Melisa Nanda Tambunan and Pargaulan Siagian. Development of website-based interactive learning media Google Site on function material in SMA Negeri 15 Medan. Based on the result of the study, it was said that material experts were valid, namely for 3.7, and media expert, namely for 3.5. Muhammad Khabib and Grandi Hendrastomo. Development of Google Site-based learning media in Class 10 Sociology subject. The results show the feasibility of Google Site Media with an average score of 4.62, which is included in the feasibility category. 3. Nadia Fadilah, Aditya Pratama, Christian Wiradendi, Susan Febriantina. Development of a teacher skill training design model in developing soft skill for vocation high school student in the field of multimedia expertise. In this study, an average score of 92.37% was obtained from the expert, which means that the training design model test is valid and ready to be implemented. The following is a theoretical framework based on the AD development model. Next is time and place of research. Research time in October 2022 to February 2023. The place research at SMKN 9 Jakarta, Gedong Panjang 2 Street, number 17, Pekojan, West Jakarta. Types of research. In this study using the type of research and development, which is a research method used to produce certain products, as well as test and effectiveness of these products. Development style. 1. Analysis. Analysis starting from student character analysis, need analysis, media analysis, and material analysis. 2. Design. The design stage is the design stage of the interactive learning media frameworks that will be developed by research by making flowcharts and storyboard. 3. Development and implementation. Starting from design development and implementation, expert validation, and stage 1 revision. 4. Evaluation. This evaluation includes an assessment of web-based learning media by supervising lecturer, material expert, media expert, and students who are guided by a questionnaire. Research subject. The subjects in this study consisted of 2 media experts, 2 material experts, and 68 students. Data collection technique. Data collection technique in this study are 1. Observation, namely direct observation of the object of research. 2. Interview. 3. Questionnaire is a list of questions given to other people. 4. Documentation. Documentation can be in the form of picture or photo or research activity, teaching, and learning activities. Research instrument. According to Sugiono, a research instrument is a tool used in measuring observed natural and social phenomena. The questionnaire instrument was prepared using a Likert scale of 5 answers. The interactive learning media feasibility questionnaire consists of 3 questionnaires, namely for media expert, material expert, and learners. Media expert adaptation from Wahono, aspect of usability, functionality, and visual communication. Material expert adaptation, for example, instrument evaluation, online teaching material by Kustandi and Sucipto. That is design learning, content, language, and communication. Learners adaptation from Wahono, aspect of usability, learning design, and visual communication. Data analysis technique. 1. Analysis qualitative. Qualitative data analysis was carried by analyzing information, input, and comment from media expert and material experts on media development. 2. Analysis quantitative. Quantitative data analysis was carried by analyzing that score obtained from the questionnaire assessment of material expert, media expert, and student. That's all my explanation regarding my thesis proposal. More of less apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks.